What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to 956 Flips. Those of you that are subscribed, appreciate you guys watching. If you're new to the channel, I go to the pawn shops, flea markets, thrift stores, pretty much anywhere I can go to pick up merchandise to flip and to add to my collection. Today is Tuesday and I'm at Goodwill, so I want to go see what we can find. So let's get started. Alright, so here we go, walking into Goodwill, trying to squeeze through these vehicles. I'm going to try to do a video every day, guys, so let's see what happens. Here's the entrance. I'm going to pick up a shopping cart. And let's go look. These are cool. Here's some of the stuff. They've got another sofa on it. Little rack. I'll pause it real quick. Some more stuff. Look at the toy section. Just grabbed this guy, it's pretty cool. $2.99. I'm gonna look it up. There doesn't seem to be much new stuff today. I passed this up the other day. Let me check it out. Okay, so the Despicable Me unicorn wasn't worth it. It's $3. It's going for about 10 on eBay. So let's see if I can find anything else. Here's a look at the shoes. This is the VHS and DVD section. A couple games today, but they're nothing good. There's one there. Not picking these up. Alright guys, I'm back at home. I only picked up a few things. Got this little puppet for 99 cents. Like that. Okay. As you saw, I picked up this elephant with speaker. I looked up sold comps on this, about $25, so he was $3, and a couple of shirts. There was really nothing new today from as far as me visiting yesterday. So let's see if I can got this shirt for, it's Robin and Teen Titan, or Attack on Titan, $1.69 for that. And this It shirt, and this one was also $1.69. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. It's going to be short and sweet. We'll catch you guys in the next one.